Stop buying hype and start buying revenue. 99% of crypto traders lose their money because they guess. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about token terminal. So stay tuned for the rest of this video so you can see how you can actually grow and actually make your trading game better. Let's go. Trading cryptocurrencies carry risk such as price volatility and market risk. So before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, please consider your risk appetite. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Token Terminal. So please make sure that you go to tokenterminal.com, and this is how the website will present itself. So as you can see, we have the products over here, the new announcement, which I'm going to be talking about, or the new tool in a minute. Then you can get listed, their pricing, resources, and also about. You can also see that they have a lot of blockchain data and they are trusted by a lot of different companies. So this really gives them that extra bit of credibility. So we can scroll down, you can see a full stack on-chain data platform, and you can go and read through their website a little bit more. You can see that their customers have really good reviews as well. So let's go back here and let's start talking about what this tool that Token Terminal has will actually offer for you in the real trading world. So what it does is it introduces the concept of financial reality in the crypto world. Okay, guys, so what Token Terminal actually does is it reveals the concept of financial reality in crypto. So while other people will stare at charts, this tool will actually show you the fees and the revenue that you will make of a certain token. So this will allow you to go and actually calculate which tokens that you are trading are actually profitable. So you don't waste time on going to look for profitable tokens, because as I said, it is just blockchain data and it will show you exactly which blockchain will be the most profitable business for you. Okay, guys, so I'm going to explain another point to you about what Token Terminal actually is. So Token Terminal is actually the Bloomberg terminal for crypto. So if you've never heard of this, I'm going to tell you what this means. So what it will do is it will actually exaggerate financial data for blockchains and the apps. So it will actually standardize so you can actually go and compare these tokens like stocks, ratios, or even revenue. Okay, guys, and another great thing that Token Terminal actually has is their price to sales ratio feature. So what this price to sale ratios feature will actually do is it will go and find undervalued gems that will actually show you how much they are earning, and it will be different comparing to what their actual data says. So what the price to sales ratio feature will actually do is it will find undervalued gems that are actually earning more than their price suggests. Their price suggestions are not always accurate, and this tool will help you to find the token that actually earns the most. Okay, guys, and last but not least, they actually have a competitive comparison ability. So you can actually go and compare real competitors instantly like Uniswap and SushiSwap and see who's actually getting more real growth from their users versus inflammatory needs. So that will just actually show you how good Token Terminal actually is. They have a bunch of good reviews and they have a bunch of tools, like I just mentioned in this video, where they will actually help you to earn more with trading. So go and check them out for yourself. Stop trading blindly. Check the link down below in my bio to access the financial data that the whales are using right now. And thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.